In this video, I will teach you how to create webhook in make.com. So from your dashboard, as you can see, you have this option on the left side of your screen of more. Head over to your webhooks, and here you can see we have our already created webhook. So we cannot see an option to create a new, and that is because you need to head over to your scenarios option and start a new scenario. And over here you will be able to see that we have a little plus icon. In here, search in her for a webhook, just like that. And you can see on top we have built-in tool for webhooks. You can create a custom mail webhook and add a name for that. If you want to add a new, I already have a mail webhook already generated over here that I can use, and that's how easy it is to use. Now if you want to edit, you can do that as well. You can head over to the link in the description below to get first month free on pro plan on make.com. So that is something really valuable that you can get. I hope you help yourself with this, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.